Hey, it's Cody with WeatherWeld, and today we're on a roof in Riverside County for one of the largest offices of education in California. So when I came out here and got up on the roof, I realized that they were going to be in trouble. This roof had multiple repairs, from all the waterways that were repaired multiple times to drains that were chocked full of coating trying to stop the leaks. So what I did is give them a full comprehensive roof report on what it was going to take to fully encapsulate this roof. We did a full tear off on this roof all the way down to the plywood deck. And we came in and installed a WeatherWeld new roof system, fully encapsulating this roof from the outside edge of the parapet walls down to the bottom of the drains, through the scuppers and out the side of the building. It's fully encapsulated with no seams. So this roof has nowhere for it to leak. And now they have a roof that they can depend on with a 40-year NDL warranty. If you find yourself in a similar situation, whether it's leaking existing buildings or you're purchasing a new buildings, give us a call. We will come out, provide you with a comprehensive roof report on what it's going to take to install a WeatherWeld system on your roof that will last the life of the building.